In this video, I will show you how to get free virtual credit cards for free trials. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type free VCC online and hit enter. From the results, open a site that offers free virtual credit cards and tap on Get Your Free VCC. Next, tap on Register and fill in your details, enter your email address and create a password. Once done, tap Sign Up and then tap OK to proceed. After creating your account, you'll be redirected to your credit card dashboard. Here, you'll find your virtual credit card details that you can use for free trial signups. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.